Hi, my name is Sed, teacher in Thailand. So now, let's try to answer the question of Toshi Agustin. Hello, sir. Paano po ang process para maging isang teacher sa Thailand at ano pong mga requirements? So now, pag-uusapan muna natin ang dalawang basic requirements para maging isang foreign English teacher sa Thailand. So number 1 is kailangan bachelor's degree holder ka, and number 2, dapat meron kang mga foreign certificates or international certificates like TEFL, TESOL, TOEIC, and CEFR. So number 1 is kailangan a bachelor's degree holder ka ng kahit anong course, because dito sa Thailand hindi naman nila nire-required na kailangan EDOC grad ka. Sa Pilipinas lang talaga ganun. So okay lang na galing ka sa ibang field because some of my co-teachers here are hindi naman EDOC grad. And number 2 is kailangan meron kang mga foreign certificates or international certificates like TEFL, TESOL, TOEIC, at CEFR. So yung mga yon, yung TEFL, pwede mong ma-obtain yun ng free. So ilalagay ko sa ilalim ang link para makapag-obtain kayo ng TEFL. And then the rest of the certificates is kailangan nyo silang applyan, at the same time may bayad po yung mga yon. Pero kung may mga kakilala kayo na kaya nila mag-obtain ng mga ganon, so you better ask them. And of course, now I'm currently teaching as a foreign English teacher. Ang na-applyan ko dito ay isang government school, or sa Pilipinas, ito ay public school. At syempre, the biggest question, saan nga ba ako nag-apply? So nag-apply ako sa adjourn.com. So basically, adjourn.com is a legit website para sa mga tao na naghahanap ng trabaho bilang isang teacher or foreign teacher sa ibang bansa. Ang adjourn.com is actually exclusive for those people na gustong magturo sa Thailand. So you can check that now. Basically, sobrang dali lang ng process nila doon. You will just need to pass your resume at the same time. You need to pass also your introduction video, 1 to 2 minutes. Then after that, you just wait for the result. If nagustuhan ka ng school, they will email you and ibibigay lahat sa'yo ng mga requirements. That's all muna for today. Thank you so much. Bye for now.